Now let's build a morph animation in CapCut. Here's a cool idea. BMW didn't just stop at the E21, they evolved it into the modern G20 series. So let's recreate that evolution visually, using a morph effect.
Welcome to Master It Now, where learning never stops. Simple, step-by-step tutorials to help you learn anything and master everything.
Start with the E21. First, shrink it slightly and move it to the left. Then move a few frames forward and add a position keyframe. Now here's something important. As you move between keyframes, always pay attention to the X and Y positions. You want both clips to follow the same motion path, so they align perfectly during the transition. Now go about 2 seconds forward. Move the E21 to the right side and set another position keyframe. Now bring in the G20. Place it above the E21. Go to the beginning of the timeline and add a position keyframe. Then move forward to the second keyframe. Shift the G20 into the same final position, matching the X and Y alignment of the E21. And set another keyframe. At this point, we already have a basic morph-style movement between both cars. But let's make it smoother. Right-click, go to Show All Presets, and apply Cubic Ease. Do this for both the E21 and the G20, so the motion feels consistent and natural. Now adjust positioning, so both cars sit nicely in the center flow. Here's the problem though. If we simply delete parts of the clips, we lose all our keyframes. So instead we use compound clips. Make a compound clip for the E21 and another for the G20. Now you can safely trim each one without breaking the animation. For the E21 compound clip, remove the right side overlap. For the G20, remove the left side overlap. Make a compound clip. Now everything blends properly into one clean morph transition. Finally, let's polish it. Go to Effects, enable Motion Blur. Set blur to around 40 and blend to about 75. And now you get a smooth cinematic morph between two generations of the BMW 3 Series. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe. More simple tricks like this coming your way.